The advantages of developing a millionaire mindset at a young age. The first advantage of developing a millionaire mindset is having a clear vision of what you want to achieve. People with a wealth mindset know exactly what they want, how to get there, and what it takes to achieve their goals. Unlike many young people who live in the moment and don't plan for the future, those with a millionaire mindset already have an idea of where they want to go. They are creating their path to financial freedom even before they achieve it. When you think like a rich person, you start making smart financial decisions. This means learning to control your money, not spending impulsively, and understanding that every penny invested can generate more money in the future. Instead of spending on things that only provide temporary pleasure, rich people tend to invest their time and money in assets that grow and generate more wealth. They know that over time, money can work for them. Another benefit is the habit of constant learning. People with a millionaire mindset are always seeking knowledge. Whether through books, courses, mentoring, or practical experiences, they know that success does not come from luck, but from constantly learning and applying what they have learned. Even when they are young, they invest in themselves, acquiring skills and learning about personal finance, entrepreneurship, marketing, investments, and everything that needs to be done to achieve success. The millionaire mindset also teaches you to persist in the face of difficulties. The journey to success is not easy and is often full of obstacles. However, a person with a millionaire mindset does not give up when faced with a challenge. They use obstacles as a learning experience and move forward, always looking for solutions, never letting themselves be shaken by temporary failures. Failure is not seen as an end, but as part of the growth process. With a wealth mindset, you begin to realize the power of relationships. Successful people know that networking, building connections, and collaborating with others are essential to achieving great goals. Having good professional relationships, seeking mentors, and collaborating with others can accelerate your path to success. The rich understand that no one gets there alone. Furthermore, the millionaire mindset is closely linked to making calculated, non-impulsive decisions. While most people spend without thinking about the future, those who think like the rich know that every action they take has an impact on their trajectory. They are patient, careful, and make choices based on a clear vision of what they want to achieve. How to think like a rich man from a young age. Now you may be asking yourself, how can I start thinking like a rich man? The first thing you need to do is invest in your mindset. This means starting to focus more deeply on your goals and working every day to achieve them. This involves changing your daily habits, replacing negative ones with positive ones. You must be more disciplined with your time and money. Understand the importance of investing in education and apply what you learn immediately to think like a rich man. You must let go of limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Many young people grow up with the idea that money is hard to come by or that they will never be rich. These thoughts need to be replaced with a mindset of abundance. Believe that there are opportunities everywhere and that money is a tool to achieve your goals. The secret is not how much you earn, but how you manage what you have. Another key point is to have a long-term vision. Success does not happen overnight, and millionaires know this. Instead of focusing on quick fixes or instant gratification, they invest in the future. This means investing in yourself, your education, and your skills, knowing that everything you build today has an impact on who you will be in the future. When you have a clear vision, the difficulties of the present become just stepping stones to success. You also need to learn to manage your money wisely. This doesn't mean you need to have a lot of money to start with. What matters is how you manage what you have. Young people with a millionaire mindset know the importance of saving, investing, and avoiding debt. The foundation of all wealth is the ability to spend less than you earn and put the surplus to work for you. Start with what you have now and gradually grow your money. And of course, you need to have the courage to act. Thinking like a rich person also means knowing when to act. Many young people are paralyzed by the fear of failure and don't make decisions. Millionaires, on the other hand, understand that action is crucial. Success doesn't come from just planning, but from taking concrete steps, making mistakes, and learning from them to ultimately achieve success. They're not afraid to start where they are, with what they have, and move forward with confidence. By adopting the millionaire mindset at a young age, you're giving yourself the opportunity to create a solid and successful financial life. Every decision, every habit, and every thought shapes your future. Instead of waiting for things to happen, you're taking control of your financial life and creating your own destiny. The amazing thing about this is that by developing these habits and mindset early, you start reaping the rewards of a job well done while you're still at the beginning of your journey. Now you have the chance to change your life forever. By focusing on developing a millionaire mindset and applying these principles to your daily life, you can achieve the success that many only dream of. This is a real opportunity to become the best version of yourself and achieve everything you want financially. Step by step to develop a millionaire mindset, management, and profitability tips. Developing a millionaire mindset is a process that goes beyond just making money. It involves cultivating a mindset focused on growth, prosperity, and intelligent management of resources. To achieve this type of mindset, it is necessary to adopt daily practices that involve discipline, self-knowledge, and a focus on financial results. If you want to start on this path, here is an effective step-by-step guide to developing a millionaire mindset with essential management and profitability tips. Step 1. Set clear goals and financial objectives. The basis for developing a millionaire mindset begins with defining clear and objective goals. It's not enough to just want to get rich. You need to have a concrete plan for where you want to go. Ask yourself, what is your financial goal? It could be buying a house, building an investment portfolio, creating a passive income stream, or achieving financial freedom. Tip: use the SMART methodology for your financial goals. They should be specific, clear, and defined; measurable, with numbers and deadlines; attainable, realistic, based on your reality; relevant, important to you; time-bound, with established deadlines. By setting these goals, you will have a clear direction and can align your daily actions to achieve them. Step 2. Adopt the habit of saving and investing. A millionaire mindset is built on the idea of saving a portion of your earnings and investing strategically. Instead of spending impulsively, a person with a millionaire mindset knows that the secret to success is making money work for them. The first thing you should do is eliminate excessive spending and start prioritizing savings. Tip: make a monthly budget. Record your income and expenses to have a clear vision of where you can cut expenses and how you can save. Set aside at least 20% to 30% of your monthly income for investments, savings, or other ways to generate long-term profits. Tip: invest wisely. Start with simple and accessible investments, such as index funds, ETFs, shares of solid companies, or even cryptocurrencies if you are interested. If you still don't understand about investments, seek knowledge through books, videos, and specialized courses. The important thing is to make your money work for you. Step 3. Learn to control your spending and avoid debt. People with a millionaire mindset know that controlling their spending is essential. They don't fall into the trap of living beyond their means or getting into debt with impulsive purchases. Instead, they are disciplined and aware of the impact of their financial choices in the long term. Tip: eliminate or minimize consumer debt, such as credit card debt, which usually has high interest rates. If necessary, look for strategies to pay off your debts quickly, prioritizing the most expensive ones first. Tip: be careful with your lifestyle. Many people start earning more money and, without realizing it, increase their spending. With the millionaire mindset, you learn to live within your means and avoid unnecessary ostentation, maintaining a balanced financial routine. Step 4. Invest in your personal and professional development. The millionaire mindset is directly linked to constant personal development and the search for knowledge. Rich people never stop learning. They always seek to improve their skills, understand new trends, and expand their horizons. Investing in yourself is the first and most important step to increasing your chances of financial success. Tip: take courses and attend workshops on finance, investing, entrepreneurship, and other areas that can add value to your growth. Read books on personal development, business, and financial psychology. Authors such as Robert Kiyosaki, Napoleon Hill, and Tony Robbins can provide valuable insights on how to cultivate a wealth-oriented mindset. Tip: seek out mentors or people who have already achieved what you want to achieve. Learning from the experience of those who have already walked this path is an efficient way to accelerate your learning and avoid making common mistakes. Step 5. Create multiple streams of income. One characteristic of millionaires is that they do not depend on a single source of income. Creating multiple sources of income is one of the most effective strategies to increase your profitability. This can include activities such as entrepreneurship, investing in real estate, or even generating passive income through online content creation or affiliate marketing. Tip: start looking for ways to generate extra money in addition to your main job. If you have specific skills, such as writing, drawing, coding, or teaching, you can start offering these services online. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer to start monetizing your skills. Tip: consider investing in real estate, creating a source of passive income through rentals, or diversify your investments across different areas, such as stocks, real estate funds, and cryptocurrencies, to take advantage of different profit opportunities. Step 6. Maintain a positive and persistent mindset. The millionaire mindset is also about persistence and resilience in the face of adversity. Rich people don't give up easily. They know that financial success is a process that takes time, effort, and patience. It's important that you learn to deal with the ups and downs of financial life and have a positive, long-term attitude. Tip: create a daily routine that includes self-development activities, such as meditation, planning, visualizing your goals, and gratitude. These habits help maintain the focus, motivation, and positive mindset needed to achieve your financial goals. Tip: don't be afraid to make mistakes. Failure is a natural part of the learning process. Instead of getting frustrated, learn from each mistake and move forward, always adjusting your strategies and actions. Step 7. Create and maintain a valuable network. The environment and the people you surround yourself with have a significant impact on your journey to financial success. Build a network of people who share your goals and can support you in your growth. Tip: join groups, events, and social networks focused on finance, entrepreneurship, and investments. Try to build relationships with influential people who can open doors or offer new opportunities. Tip: don't underestimate the power of networking. Sometimes, a conversation can be the key to a great business opportunity or partnership. Developing a millionaire mindset is not an overnight process, but rather a constant journey of learning, discipline, and strategic action. By following this step-by-step guide, you will be on the right path to achieving profitability and financial success. Remember that true wealth begins with the right mindset. And it is this mindset that will guide you to a prosperous future full of opportunities. Invest in yourself, control your expenses, diversify your sources of income, and above all, stay committed to your goals. Success is within your reach. Step 6. Maintain a positive and persistent mindset. The millionaire mindset is also about persistence and resilience in the face of adversity. Rich people don't give up easily. They know that financial success is a process that takes time, effort, and patience. It's important that you learn to deal with the ups and downs of financial life and have a positive, long-term attitude. Tip: create a daily routine that includes self-development activities, such as meditation, planning, visualizing your goals, and gratitude. These habits help maintain the focus, motivation, and positive mindset needed to achieve your financial goals. Tip: don't be afraid to make mistakes. Failure is a natural part of the learning process. Instead of getting frustrated, learn from each mistake and move forward, always adjusting your strategies and actions. Step 7. Create and maintain a valuable network. The environment and the people you surround yourself with have a significant impact on your journey to financial success. Build a network of people who share your goals and can support you in your growth. Tip: join groups, events, and social networks focused on finance, entrepreneurship, and investments. Try to build relationships with influential people who can open doors or offer new opportunities. Tip: don't underestimate the power of networking. Sometimes, a conversation can be the key to a great business opportunity or partnership. Developing a millionaire mindset is not an overnight process, but rather a constant journey of learning, discipline, and strategic action. By following this step-by-step guide, you will be on the right path to achieving profitability and financial success. Remember that true wealth begins with the right mindset, and it is this mindset that will guide you to a prosperous future full of opportunities. Invest in yourself, control your expenses, diversify your sources of income, and above all, stay committed to your goals. Success is within your reach. 3. Calculated risk, the intelligent use of capital. While many investors are afraid of taking risks, Chris Sacca knew how to calculate and manage risk intelligently. He never invested without deeply analyzing the details of the companies he believed in, but he also knew that to achieve great results, it would be necessary to risk more than others were willing to do. Applied strategy. When Chris invested in Uber, for example, he was aware of the risk involved, since the company was still in its embryonic phase and had significant challenges ahead. However, he believed so much in the company's business model that he decided to bet his money based on intuition and long-term strategic analysis. This yielded exponential returns, as Uber became one of the most valuable companies in the world. How to apply? To adopt a calculated risk strategy, you need to develop the ability to evaluate risks and rewards objectively. Instead of shying away from risks, learn to calculate which risks are really worth it. This requires careful analysis of all the variables involved and in-depth knowledge of the areas in which you are investing, whether in your own business, stocks, or any other financial opportunity. 4. Focus on investments with high growth potential. A defining characteristic of Chris Sacca's millionaire mindset is his focus on companies with high growth potential. He did not limit himself to investing only in established companies, but also in startups with the potential for explosive growth. This gave him the advantage of multiplying his capital as these companies expanded significantly. Applied strategy. Companies like Instagram and Twitter were promising, but in the beginning, they were far from being considered giants. Sacca invested in them because he saw something beyond the status quo. He knew that these companies could revolutionize industries and reach a global audience, and this became evident as the businesses took off. How to apply? To apply this strategy, try to identify market niches and startups that are still in their early stages, but that have enormous growth potential. This involves being aware of market trends and having a broad vision of what the future may hold. Companies with high scalability potential are those that can grow quickly, reach large markets, and generate significant returns. 5. Investment diversification. While Sacca focused on a few specific investments that proved to be highly profitable, he also understood the importance of investment diversification. He did not put all of his money into a single company, but sought to diversify his assets across different sectors and types of investments. This helped protect his portfolio and increased his chances of success. Applied strategy. Sacca's diversification included investments in technology, real estate, and other emerging markets, which gave him security in case any of his investments did not perform as expected. This diversification strategy, while allowing for calculated risk, offered the possibility of exponential gains in different areas. How to apply it? Diversification is essential to protect your capital and increase the chances of obtaining consistent returns. Instead of putting all of your money into a single investment, you should seek to spread your resources across different asset classes, stocks, real estate, startups, etc., which provides greater security and more opportunities for growth. Chris Sacca built his fortune based on a millionaire mindset and a series of smart strategies that helped him identify high potential opportunities, take calculated risks, and invest in the future. He didn't just go with the flow. He had the courage to think differently, take big risks, and diversify his investments. His story is a powerful lesson in how to become a visionary investor. With the right mindset, You too can achieve financial success and create a lasting legacy. The key is to be willing to seize opportunities that arise, think long-term, and surround yourself with people and ideas that share your vision. Now that you've learned the secrets to developing a millionaire mindset, it's time to take the next step. Don't stop here. Keep exploring more exclusive content with tips, strategies, and success stories that will help you transform your vision and achieve the future you deserve. Click the link below, subscribe to the channel, and come be a part of our journey to success. The path to wealth starts with the first step. Don't miss this opportunity.